Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of your upcoming and newest activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 16 is protein. All right, so now the benefits of protein are it helps provide the body with energy and carries oxygen to the body. Okay, different foods that are rich in protein are quinoa, nuts, beans, tofu, eggs, fish, shrimp, chicken, and much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day in just a moment. Today's Fast 5 workout is going to be 1, high knees, 2, squats, 3, flutter kicks, and 4, planks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those workouts in just a moment. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1, we're gonna do high knees. So if you're new to this, what you're gonna do is put your hands out in front of you as a target, get your knees up. So if you wanna just march in place, okay? And then if you're comfortable, you're gonna go a little bit faster. And then if you're really comfortable, you chop your arms and move your hands and feet as fast as you can. That is 1, that's high knees. 2 is gonna be squats. Feet shoulder width apart, make a nice base. We're gonna put our hands in front of us and we're gonna drop our bottom. Make sure that you are not dropping your back down. That is not a squat, that your feet are shoulder width apart and you drop your bottom. Try to get it as low to the ground as possible, okay? Number 3, we have flutter kicks. Now flutter kicks, you're gonna go down on your bottom and what you're gonna do is you're going to lean your torso back and get your legs up and then you're gonna up and down. Those are called flutter kicks. And number 4, we're gonna go into a plank position. So you have 2 options for your plank position. You guys can do a push-up plank, but you want your arms about shoulder width apart. Your hands are flat. Don't turn your wrist out. That's a big mistake that you don't wanna do. You can actually injure your wrist. Hands are facing forward. You can do a push-up plank. That's one way right there. The second way is gonna be on your forearms. Your forearms, okay, right here. Not your elbows, your forearms. And then hold that plank position there, okay? I'll give you a side angle. Again, push-up plank, straight back. I don't want to see no mountains. I don't want to see any seals, okay? Make sure your back is straight. Or, again, you can go on your forearms, same thing, straight back, okay? Now, get ready to go. We'll do our Fast 5 in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. High knees. You breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's go. 10 more seconds. And 1, stop. All right, number 2. We're gonna go into those squats. Ready, and go. Okay, make sure you drop that bottom as low as you can. Again, breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Good job. You guys are working your bodies. You're doing a great job. Keep it up, don't stop. When you want to quit, all right, next one up. We're gonna go with on your bottoms. Let's go, flutter kicks. You want to challenge yourself? Stay a little more upright like me, and then go lower. And then go up, and then go lower. Woo! You want to maintain your flutter kick at about 6 inches. You're doing great, keep it up. All right, last one. We got plank. We're going to a push-up plank this round. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5. It's gonna be a great workout now. A little side angle for you guys. If you feel like going down to the floor, take a quick break on your knees, that's okay. Hop right back up though, okay? Don't give up. All right, let's go. You have a 1 minute break.
Great time to get some water. Get a towel like myself. Wipe that sweat off. And just remember, we still got round 2. We're gonna do the same 4 exercises. One more time. You guys enjoying this workout? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about it.
All right, here we go. Round number 2. Again, the same 4 exercises, 30 seconds. And go, high knees. Seconds left. All right, next one up, let's go. Squats. And really try to get that bottom down. On your bottoms, let's go. Flutter kicks. Go. All right, let's go in planks. This time we're gonna do forearm planks. And go. Again, 30 seconds. Everything you guys got, 30 seconds. You guys wanna close your eyes? Breathe in, deep breaths in. And out. This is it. Again, if you need to take a break real quick, get down, take a break, jump right back in. Don't give up. You did it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout. This is what we're gonna be doing from this point on for this year. Fast 5 workouts, 4 exercises, 2 rounds, lots of fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get into our activity of the day in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Mba Training Camp. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, you're going to be doing a variety of basketball skills. So make sure you guys get ready. If you guys have a basketball available, definitely get one. If not, you can still pretend by doing the basketball movements. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Mba Training Camp. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts were about the activity, what skills you would have added to it. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.